Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you love gaming at home, then you are going to absolutely love this 3-in-1 tabletop game system from Sterling Games. My husband and I love to go out to local breweries and play the games that they have, and Shuffle Puck is one of my favorites. So seeing this game system was just a must-have for me. I love that it is a 3-in-1, so you can play bowling, shuffleboard, and curling. This is so much fun, and it doesn't take up a ton of space, but it is still big enough to really play the games and enjoy them. You can easily switch between which game you're playing, and I really just think it's such a high quality set. If you are someone who loves to play games with your family, this is an absolute must have. My husband and I have absolutely been loving playing these games at home. They are so much fun, and I highly recommend getting one for your home. You're not going to regret it, and that's my point of view.